Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. So today we'll be doing a 3-bedroom bungalow house tour located in Ruiru off Githongori Road. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's do this. In we go. This is the living area or lounge area, whichever name you want to give it. Come dining area. Probably you have noticed it has good sized windows which are allowing light to naturally come through. The space is decent and manageable. Our kitchen is an open kitchen with a double sink, spacious countertops, a good number of drawers and cabinets to ensure a smooth flow in the kitchen. This is the back side for your washing machine and your laundry stuff. It's a good size, already has water and electricity. It's just to plug in your machine and off you go. We have a fridge space which can perfectly fit a 2-door, and also on the other side we have a space for the cooker which can fit a 6-burner cooker as well. And then we also have enough storage considering that you have a pantry for more and more storage. Jumping off to the guest washroom or common washroom, whichever name you want to give it, it's okay, which is basically the hand sink and a washroom, or rather a toilet. It's perfectly okay and functional. Off to the bedrooms. This house has 3 bedrooms, all en suite, meaning you have your own private bathroom, come toilets, and that's a plus. If you have a big family, you don't have to share washrooms. So let's go and see how it looks. This is the first bedroom. It can fit a 6x5 or even a 6x6 if that's what you want to work with, and leave some space to access the wardrobes. And then it has a permanently fitted wardrobes, and also it has a huge window. As you can see, we have enough light coming through, and then I would say the space is enough. Bedroom 2 is quite similar with the first bedroom. It has permanently fitted wardrobes, a separate bathroom come toilet, and enough space to fit a 6x6 or a 5x6 bed. Let's walk to the master ensuite. There's a stretch and a corridor, meaning you are quite you're separated from the other 2 rooms, and immediately you get in, there's a washroom come toilet which is spacious enough than the rest of the 2 rooms. As well, the wardrobe space is extra than the other 2 rooms. This one is much bigger, and also the room size is much bigger, so whichever bed size you want to work with will perfectly fit. I believe that's it with the bedrooms. Let's head to the front yard and see how it looks. We have your garden right there. Bonus clip, we have Ruiru as the nearest town center. It has most of the facilities, and by the way, we have one of the most affordable markets for fresh goods in Ruiru. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested with this particular house, please reach out on the contact given below, and for sure you'll be assisted.